So indoor units here. These are the units. Go one of the indoor units. This Tesla. This indoor units. This. Okay. Video as Mama just said. So we have connected the outdoor unit. We have used the video another one. We have used the Starlink app to locate the place with the maximum reception. So the next thing is now that we want to go and connect, we want to create the cable. So we now go and connect the indoor units. The light here is up. After this light is up, you place it where you want it as tall as possible. Then you search for the wireless. Yeah, no obstruction on the road. So I can only complaint. I came here. No obstruction. Let me go back. No. So Muawasi, what change? I now came here. Okay, under this location. Load location. So the way now load the location here. Address Timo copy from Google Map, more paste. So it's the address that I copied from Google Map. I now pasted it here. Like I know balance on the axis with the early latitude and longitude. But Lori Google Map, on Google Map, it see this place I know about it, and I now save it. So the current location, I now save it. So we should log. It's active. Go can log more. We should log more location. So I just went back to the bike. So it has started browsing. Let me now test my speed.
Now, this one, we enter.
The password. So I'm not trying to tell you. Àwọn ló wá ní kí n release ẹ̀ tó wọ́n lọ pa láwọ̀ ẹ̀ ní táàgò parí jẹ́ bí ìpínlẹ̀ tí ó kàn wọ́n sókè ni. So I'm now testing the speed now. So, copper gan wà àwọn NYSC kọ́ mi bàgán wà lọ́fíìsì tí ń dání. Àwọn ọmọ yìí dání wá ń sùn. So I'm now testing. And the speed is not even really that fast. So the current speed here is just 80 MPS. It's still okay. The latency is 36 milliseconds. Maybe more to explain latency for me, tell them I have explained latency for me now. The difference between latency and speed. I've been in class in which you go one class just may explain. There is difference between latency and speed. So the latency is still very, very much. Let me go and play YouTube video. So I will still go to www.fast.com. But as you don't have access to www.fast.com, let me now play one video on my channel. Too fast. Oh, look, the net want to see. Too fast. So let me now go to www.fast.com. You can check internet speed. www.fast.com. trying to check this maximum speed. So the difference between latency and speed is the rate of movement of your data. The rate tí data fi move kò ní speed. Ẹ̀yin ká tẹ̀ wrong. Speed is the rate of the movement of the data. But latency is the time between when you issue a command to when the command said start.
Okay.
So mo bá tẹ open.
The rate tí o fi máa open yìí.
Rate ṣé mo ṣe tẹ ló ṣe tètè open sí. That's latency. But speed is the rate at which data moves. The ratio of your data to time. That's the speed. But latency is the microseconds between when you issue a command and when the command is when the device responds to the command. So this is how fast the internet is. Very, 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 very fast. As the latency is very, very fast. So this is the indoor device. That's the indoor tester. You must ensure that the light is on. It's working perfectly. So if you need Tesla installation, you can call us. So you can see the current speed now is 29 megabytes per second. And I believe that's okay. And the latency is 39 milliseconds. So thank you very much. If you need electric fence, CCTV, internet installation, then really call on us. 080-380-15711. For those outside Nigeria, you have us to play for 80-380-157. Thank you very much.